So I've seen a few proposals come in, both for myself and others, where the scope is not laid out. There might be a middle company in between you and the actual client. So like if there's a PR agency or if there's an ad agency, and they may not have solidified the scope of the project or the brief with the client yet, but they want to come to you and get numbers. And I find it a little ironic because how can I give numbers when the brief hasn't been decided? People haven't figured out, like, this is actually what we're going to shoot. This is the number of scenarios we're going to shoot. This is how complicated the shoot is. Then if I don't know any of that, then I can't really give any concrete information or numbers, because things may drastically change based on the size and complexity of the scope. If I find out that, that it's only, let's say, 4 or 5 hero shots of one particular product, and then it's only going to be used for, say, trade or internal industry use, and then I'll bid you one price. And then if I come and find out, well, no, actually we need, more detailed recipe shots of the product being made, and then we need to shoot it at these 2 different locations. It needs to be product forward and it needs to be in environment. So if I find that out after the fact, that's going to change the price and the scope. So please, 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 like, when you ask for numbers, understand, like, we can only give you the best information based on the information you give us. Well, the price is going to start here based on the brief that you gave me, and here's the holes that we don't know, and then here's the assumptions that I made while putting this number together, and hopefully that is enough, for that middle company to then go to the client and say, here's what we can expect, or here's a rough guesstimate of like what we can do based on the scope that we have. So the better the information that comes in, the better the bid that comes out.